This is our new invention, integrated jacking system for the car. So in general, to removal of the tire from the car, we have to apply the jacking. Sometimes when the car is riding on the hill or sloping area, or sometimes some irregular surface of the road, it is very difficult to operate putting the jacking system. So for some extent, it is very difficult to operate the jack system by those people. In order to avoid those difficulties, we have designed this kind of jacking system for the car. Even you can fix this kind of system not only for the car, you can fix this kind of integrated jack system for the four-wheeler, also for the buses, even lorry, like heavy vehicles also we can operate. So see here, for corresponding four-wheel, this is only the prototype model. So for this corresponding four wheels, we have provided this jack also. See, four corresponding wheel, we have provided corresponding jacking system. So this jack and also for the solenoid valve. This is one jack, again another solenoid valve. For this four wheel mechanism, we have provided four different jack and also four different solenoid valve. So corresponding four buttons also to operate this jack. So accordingly, this is maybe available in the driver dashboard. For the demonstration purpose, this entire jack system operated by the pneumatic air. We have to provided air from the compressor, but in general for the heavy vehicles, I think have the hydraulic cylinder. So you can easily we can fix the hydraulic jack system. But for the demonstration purpose, for the compactness, we have provided here for the pneumatic jack system. So whenever you want to operate the particular jack, whenever you want to operate the particular tire, press the corresponding button, then jack will be operated. Then again, once you remove the tire, you press the same button, again it may be come down. So like this easily you can operate. So what is the speciality of this kind of jack system means, the vehicle will not be shake because it is completely this jack will be fixed on the chassis. So it may be integrated. So even for the new vehicle we can easily implement this kind of concept. If the existing vehicle also, easily we can fix this jack system along with the chassis near to the corresponding wheel. So at that time, if you want to lift the car, you can operate this all the four button, then easily you can lift the car for the 1 feet about. But here for the prototype model, we have given about 50 mm of stroke length. It may be about maximum 50 to 60 mm of stroke length we have provided. So based on the car wheel base, as you know, car ground clearance, you can choose the corresponding jacking. So accordingly, the car wheel will be lifting. Now I am going to show the demonstration how this integrated jack system may be function. So here, if you wanted to operate the corresponding this jack, then you can press this button. So see here, this may be lifted. This is the stroke length we have used up to maximum of 50 mm. Already I told you. So if you want to come, once you remove the tire, then you can press this button. It may be come down. Suppose we want to operate this jack corresponding. So see here. So this may be operate again. So like this, you can operate all the four corresponding jack also. If you want to press, this also will be function. So this is completely operated by the pneumatic system. So like this, you can operate all the four wheels. Thank you very much.